Hi, my name is Connor Allen. I am a software developer with 3 years of experience through Boston University courses, SaaS startup experience, and the Rutgers University Full Stack Web Development Professional Certificate. The reason I want to work for Q&A Wolf is because I know as a developer, testing is without a doubt the most important step in the software development process. Seeing how you guys are able to leverage your expertise through full stack and machine learning development principles makes me think this would be a wonderful place to learn and grow from motivated team members who are dedicated to a results driven environment. That being said, let's take a look at the coding challenge you sent me. So, first things first, we want to install our dependencies, which means our node modules, through the terminal, installing npm-i as well as the Playwright package. Playwright is a library developed by Microsoft that is used for automating interactions with the web browser through instances such as Chromium, WebKit via Safari, and Mozilla Firefox. And so we start off with our asynchronous function to sort hacker news. We're going to launch a new instance of Chromium through this line here. Headless false means we're going to make the browser visible while we use it. And then we create a new context for the browser instance here. And then we're going to create a new page for us to interact with. This line will go to the Hacker News newest articles. Here, we are going to load the ID page space, which is where in Hacker News' HTML code, that's where they hold all of their articles. And then we can extract the titles and timestamps for the first 100 articles through this logic here. Obviously, we use page space, which is where the articles are kept, and then the class of a thing refers to each individual article. And then we're going to slice those elements, 0 through 100, which in a 0 index gives us the first 100 articles. And then we're going to map through those elements, and we are going to extract a title and a timestamp through each element. Title is done through the StoryLink class. Timestamp is done through age, which we're able to find using our trusty query selector and our inner text method. And then we are going to make sure all of the articles are sorted from newest to oldest. So we're going to loop through them through the entire length of the articles list. And we're going to create a current timestamp by creating a new date object on each of these articles that we loop through. And then we are going to create a next timestamp, which shows us which article is supposed to come after that. And here we can make sure they are in the correct order, making sure the current timestamp is always less than the next timestamp. Then down here, if our code is run successfully, we will get a message in our console saying the first 100 articles are sorted from newest to oldest. And then down here, we finally launch our sort hacker news function. And if I open the terminal and I've run node index.js, we have successfully loaded the first 100 articles. And you can see as a default, Hacker News only loads 30 articles at a time, and you can't even get to 100 exactly because it goes in groups of 30. So, but if we look back at our code, we will see success. The first 100 articles are sorted from newest to oldest. And that should complete our coding challenge. It was a lot of fun to work on. If you have more challenges like this for me to work on at the company and the role itself, I would be one happy camper. But until then, I thank you for your time. I look forward to hearing back from you, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your week. Thank you so much.